Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hope you're doing well today. It is Tuesday. It's Tuesday, yeah, it is. Tuesday, the 5th of November. Just wanted to do a quick trading recap. I've been out for a little while. We took a trip up to Hot Springs, Arkansas over the weekend and just getting back into things today. Thought I'd share some stuff with you. Let me just pop over. I'll share my screen over here. We'll do a quick trading recap for the day. So same old stuff. Nothing's changing. Nothing's new. There's literally no secret, exciting new tricks to the marketplace. Everything's been done. Just to reiterate that for everyone. What I continue to do is I trade a very basic trading strategy using support and resistance. Other folks use different trading strategies. You use whatever's going to make the most sense for you. But for me, I like support and resistance in futures. It makes the most sense to me. The market seems to respond well to it. It's a very simple strategy. What we've been doing is just marking on the 4-hour level support and resistance areas. Now, over the course of the last week, we've punched through some new highs over here, although we do seem to be leveling out. This 3080 seems to kind of be that high point of resistance that we're having trouble breaking through. Although today we were able to play off of that. We broke through it, closed through it on a 30-minute, came back and retested it, and I was able to pull a few points out of the marketplace here as that moved down in our favor. And it's been struggling. It came down to this 3070 area, and it's just been kind of hanging out here now for the last about the last hour and a half. So not a whole lot going on there. Gold, same thing. We've seen some really nice runs up in gold over the can't go out far enough. Anyway, over the course of the last few months, but here lately it's been kind of in a channel, holding right around that 1500 point. Didn't do much on gold today. I took a long trade down here as we were hitting these lows around 1482, 1483, but hasn't done much. It went for me a little bit and then came back and stopped me out at my trailing stop, just better than break even. So not really a whole lot going on there, but I guess the big takeaway from it is just, from any of this stuff, there is no trading system on the planet that offers you consistent, where you're just going to win every day, win every trade. It comes down to finding a trading plan that you can execute consistently that's going to give you a slight edge in the marketplace, and then execute that the same way every time, every day. And you're going to have days where you have losses. You're going to have days when you have wins. You're going to have days when you have really outsized wins. But the key component of that is just consistency and execution of your plan. I like simple plans because with a simple plan, you're more likely to stick to it. When you get these complex strategies with lots of moving parts and lots of different indicators and lots of things happening and lots of pins that have to fall into place in order to be able to say yes or no to trade, it starts to become more subjective. And especially with our human psyche, with our brains, if we've got a whole lot of things that have to fall into place, more often than not, our brains are going to start feeling like they're missing out on something. We're going to go, oh man, or maybe not our brain, maybe it's our emotion, whatever it might be, is going to feel like we're missing out and going, oh man, well, if I've got 5 criteria that have to be in place to take the trade, we might go, well, I've got 3 of those 5, let's just go ahead and go for it. Trading becomes less systematic and more subjective with those more complex plans, which is why I like simple plans like support and resistance here on futures anyway. That works well for me, consistently gives me an edge over the marketplace, and allows me to win slightly more than I lose when I do that. So that's a major thing. That's the component to have a long-term strategy that gives you a positive expectancy. So anyway, just wanted to quickly recap that for you. For Forex, not really a whole lot to talk about today. Market stayed kind of range bound. Looked like I've been using a breakout strategy here on Forex. I utilize a system like this. It's a dashboard that allows me to see which currencies are moving. Earlier this morning, it looked like we were going to have some movement here between the let me just knock it down, between the euro and the yen. Looked like we were going to see some divergence back here, and we did. We got a little bit of movement on it, but ultimately wasn't enough to really break through and keep things moving below that that breakout area. But I do like breakout strategies on Forex, especially when you can pair together two currencies that are moving, and that's what that dashboard allows me to do. It allows me to see which currencies have the activity for the day. Based on which currencies have the activity, then I can look for a breakout trade. Again, very, very, very simple strategy that is highly effective when you utilize money management well, and you utilize a trailer that allows you to ratchet off your risk pretty rapidly and then lock in profit at a certain point. So anyway, that's it for now. I just wanted to do a quick recap, touch base with you guys. I'll be back on tomorrow doing the same thing. My goal moving forward is to get these videos out on a daily basis. One other thing real quickly, I think I mentioned it last week. Let me just find which video it would be here. Over on in the members area on makemoneyfromyourlaptop.com, there are lesson summaries for a mindset course that I'm going through. If you guys want to check those out, I'm working with Todd Gaster. Todd is a mindset coach and has been walking me through a really amazing process that is helping me do some great documentation of where I am right now, where I want to be. And it's not just goal setting, it's really digging away the layers to understand why we make the decisions that we make and what's driving us to make those decisions. And once we understand that, then we can start making slight tweaks to help us make better decisions that are in our best interests as through all parts of our life. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. So if you guys want to watch those lesson summaries, you can. There's also a link in there where you can connect with Todd and do direct coaching with him if you so choose to do that. So anyway, that's it for now. Just wanted to hit those things, touch base with you guys today, and I'll be back tomorrow with another recap of what we're seeing in the markets. All right, have a great day.